Creating accurate visualizations of real estate development is essential in many use cases. Today, we will guide you through the steps required to import 3D models from Sketchup or CAD drawings to the 3D Cityplanner. To export a 3D model from Sketchup, you need to convert it to a standardized 3D model exchange format. We use the glTF binary, GLB file format in the 3D Cityplanner. To export a model from Sketchup, you need to install a glTF plugin from the Sketchup extension warehouse. We use the glTF exporter plugin. After installing it, open the Sketchup model and reset the axis by right-clicking the red, blue, or green line. Then set the anchor location by moving your object to the desired location relative to the anchor point in Sketchup. Our recommended location for the axis is in a back corner of the object. Sketchup models can cause performance degradation in the 3D Cityplanner if not optimized properly. To optimize your model, explode your hierarchy by exploding every object until there are no or only a few objects left. Also, remove unnecessary details such as objects with many faces, lines, or points that can cause a small freeze while loading the model. A great rule of thumb is to keep your GLB file size under 5 MB. Finally, export your model from the menu by selecting Chrono's glTF export binary glTF 2.0 GLB and choose a simple, easy-to-identify file name. Remember to save your file. To add a 3D model to your project in the 3D Cityplanner, you can follow these steps. Open the New Real Estate menu in the 3D Cityplanner. Select the Custom 3D Model option from the menu. Place the 3D model in your project by clicking on the location where you want to add it. Select the Custom 3D Model, push Pin, and go to the Object Information menu. The 3D Cityplanner supports 3 types of 3D objects: apartments, single-family housing, and visual objects. After you have uploaded a model using the File Manager, you can then select it from the 3D Model drop-down. After importing the 3D model, you can combine it with the other objects and data layers in the 3D Cityplanner. Here are some additional tips. Use the correct object type to improve integration with the 3D Cityplanner. Set up calculation properties to match your data for accurate financial and volumetric statistics. Save objects as prefabs to easily place models again while maintaining properties set up in the Calculations tab. Host the 3D model on your web server if you do not want to upload it to the 3D Cityplanner. Use a custom URL as a linked object to use a GLB file from the web. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more info, have a look at our help pages, YouTube channel, website, or send us an email.